love fireworks. They're the best, okay? They bloom in the sky, Kian. Did you see one? I seen one before.
We're almost.
Oh yeah, yes. Last time when I was 7. So later we're gonna go to the Corniche and see the fireworks. So did you love the fireworks? I love fireworks. Yeah, they bloom in the sky. Sometimes there's many, sometimes there's little, right? Yeah, and also fireworks comes in different colors. I like blue fireworks. I love all types of fireworks. I'm so excited. Yeah, me too.
What time is it now?
Oh, we are here, almost here.
Oh, we're almost here.
Yeah. Oh, there's a lot of people.
I think they want to see the fireworks too. Because fireworks are the best. They're the best! Wow, there's fireworks! Wow, so cool! There's red, pink, yellow, green, orange. Wow, that is so cool. I can see there! Oh, red! Oh, this is so cool! This is the greatest holiday. Wow! Wow, red! Oh, that is so high! Look! Looks like I can get it.
There's a lot of people.
Yes, baby there.
Hello, baby. Hello, baby Zaya.
Over there, look.
Green! Green, red!
Yeah, look. Over there.
There's a lot of fireworks! Wow!
Wow.
Oh my god! There's a rainbow!
Wow, rainbow.
Rainbow! Red.
Wow.
Rainbow! Wow! Oh my god, this is loud!
Wow, nice, oh.
This is loud! Wow! Everyone there!
We are celebrating Saudi National Day today, guys. There's some fireworks.
This is your first National Day, okay? And look.
Wow.
Wow! That's the biggest one. Whoa! This is like a flying party. Whoa! Green. Triple fireworks. Wow!
Wow, nice.
Nice. Wow! Wow! It's like so crazy, bro.
Kuya Aljon, Kuya Alkayan.